Found this bird. We're gonna go around looking whose it is. We out.
Those birds
We out, bro. We out.
Bro, are these birds wild here?
We wanna find this person. But
Are they?
we finding it. Krista, what the heck?
I was holding it the whole time we was making this little rinky-dink cage. Look at that.
No, in his hand.
At the bottom of a pizza box, zip tied to a garbage can.
We out, bro. We out here. Yo, Juju. We out here, bro.
And then I took it out.
We wanna find this dude.
3 days after I got it done, and I had to fucking rejuice it myself.
Hey.
That shit sucked. How old do you have to be?
Alright, guys, I made it home.
Crit.
You guys thought I was joking? Thought I was joking, bro? I made it home.
You can't put it in the fucking woods unless someone has to know.
You guys think I was joking? Think I was joking? I made it home.
Okay.
The very back of the
The
neighborhood.
woods right there.
Watch this hurricane come right. We're going on the road. Oh,
I don't know, it's just weird that he flew to us 3 times.
He was probably just scared.
And I walked right up to him and took him off breathe.
this your bird?
Did you lose a parakeet? No. No?
Where did it come from?
It was in our backyard. It flew right up to my sister and landed on her, and I grabbed him and been trying to find out if it's somebody's or if it's wild or what.
Oh no, I don't know. That's weird. Maybe it flew away from someone's house.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it's wild, and it's just.
I don't even know if these are wild here, but
We go to them?
came to us like
There's a whole bunch of parrots at the Zephyr Hills Public, so I think it's wild.
As far as I know, it's over there.
Oh, babe.
What?
I do got a knife.
Oh, you do got a knife. Okay, well let's go put it in the woods then.
You want to see it, Miguel? No. Want to carve a parrot?
Hey!
That's good cat food.
You blow too! Meow. Meow.
Long holiday, bro.
Sir, your cat's outside.
Cheers.
That's bull, man.
I'm not gonna knock.
Hey, you guys lose a bird? Who's that?
Fucking light pole.
I don't know.
You flew too! I never die.
Bullshit.
This is bullcrap. Victims have souls. Ever. Hey, I found a receipt. It's a. I think this is a gas check.
My aunt had 2 cats, and she didn't know, like.
A parrot.
Hello.
It flew and attacked Bree.
Hello. It hit me too. I never get freaking credit, bro.